Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to discuss that how can we fix the error that shows the message that this operating system is not supported by this particular application. So if you're facing this error, then what you need to do is you need to make sure that your Windows is all up to date with the latest updates provided by Microsoft. So how do we do that? So for this, what we need to do is go to the search bar and type in settings to open the settings app. Now in the settings, there is a feature called update and security that contains all the Windows updates and the security patches. So in the left hand side, you can go to Windows update, or by default also the same page would be opened. Now once you are in this page, you can just simply check for updates by clicking over here if you are not getting this message that you are up to date. So I can see that for my case, last checked was today 6:30 p.m., that is around 3 to 4 hours from now. So it is a highly improbable chance that there might be new updates in that time frame, but still, if you think, you can just simply click on check for updates and Windows will check for updates. If there are new updates, then you can install them easily. Once you have installed them, then the error should have been solved. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.